Hi guys, today I will be reviewing the GEVI portable blender. This is a super lightweight design. It's less than 1 pound with a portable size of 300 mLs or 10 ounces. This cordless portable blender is as compact as a normal water bottle. You can put it in your bag, your backpack, or take it on the road at any time, which is very perfect for home, office, and travel. The magnetic suction charging cable is suitable for a variety of charging methods with USB interface, so you're able to recharge this portable blender at any time with mobile car adapter, power bank, AC adapter, etc. With this unique magnetic contact charging, you don't have to worry about charging problems when using the plug to charge the blenders. There are no special requirements on the plug voltage or any parameters. This blender is designed with a waterproof, the IP68 waterproof, which makes it easier to clean. You are able to wash the juice cup and the blend on the main machine with water directly. There's a fill line when making your smoothies. I'm going to demonstrate how to make a fruit smoothie using frozen fruit and almond milk. Keep in mind, I've used this blender at least 3 times up until this point, and it worked very well. Also, when you first receive the blender, I charge it for at least a day before using, and charge is said to be good for up to 2 hours or the equivalent of 10 juices. So here I'm going to pour the almond milk to the max fill line that I demonstrated and showed earlier. One thing I do love about this design is that it has like a concave design around the stainless steel blade inside the blender, and it helps you avoid being cut while cleaning. Here I'm going to twist and secure, and it shows you where to stop to make sure it doesn't leak. And just going to double click to start. The blender blends for about 30 seconds, and there's also a auto stop when blending is complete. So I gently rotate from side to side while the process is occurring. Just waiting. There's the blend of the blender I purchased from Amazon for $21.99. I woke up like this. And there you have it. Just gonna untwist, and I can drink directly from here or pour into another vessel. But when on the road, I'll keep it in this container. And as you can see, there's no chunks. It blends very smoothly. And just gonna pour it over here and enjoy. I do love this blender and look forward to using it while traveling on the road. Please subscribe.